Welcome to the Carlson Kitchen. Chef Marcy here with another recipe to make your meals both delicious and nutritious. If you're like me, you watch what you eat, but you do want a tasty treat now and then. That's why I created this crunch top baked berries recipe, which gets its flavor and nutrients from Carlson, the very finest fish oil. Let me show you how to make it. First, I'm going to use a combination of berries. We need about 2 cups. I like to use this recipe with lots of different fruits. You can use peaches, pears, apples, but right now berries are in season, so I'm gonna use those. I'm just gently layering these beautiful berries into my little ceramic ramekins, and the berries are gonna bake in here. This recipe is really versatile. You can bake it in a really big dish like this if you have people coming over, or you can do individual servings like with these ramekins. I'm going to cover these with foil. There we go. Now that we've covered these in foil, we've preheated our oven to 350. I'll use little waitressing skills here, and they're gonna bake for about 25 minutes. While the berries are baking, we're gonna mix up the crunch topping, which is my favorite part of the dessert. Almond flour, coconut sugar. I like to use coconut sugar instead of brown sugar, but you can use that too because coconut sugar has a lower glycemic index. Sunflower seeds, ground flax seeds, and add the chia seeds. And then spice it up a little bit. Some ginger, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and vanilla. And now the fish oil. These packets contain 1 teaspoon of fish oil. Fish oil is important for cognitive health, joint support, and cardiovascular function. I make sure to incorporate fish oil into my family's daily diet, and these single-serving packets are convenient, especially for work or traveling. Now that the crunch topping is ready, let's check on those berries. Oh, these smell amazing. I am ready for the unveiling. I hope you are too. The beautiful, beautiful berry color coming through, and they are so fresh. This crunch topping is so delicious. You may want to make a little extra. I like to keep it around to put it on yogurt, even some just fresh fruit, and if I'm feeling indulgent, vanilla ice cream. Let's grab a spoon and see how we did. Oh, this looks so delicious. Wow. The warm, sweet berries and the lemony crunch topping just taste amazing. And best of all, no guilt. For this recipe or to learn more, visit carlsonlabs.com.